Today's topic is going to cover some of the most common default settings in a print driver, like one-sided printing and a black and white color mode. So to start, we'll go and click on your Windows or Start icon, click on the little gear that says Settings, and then go into Devices. From here, select Printers and Scanners, locate your default printer, click on it, select the Manage tab, and then go to Printing Preferences. So once in here, we can then select what settings we'd like as a default. So for instance, I'm going to go to a one-sided setting because currently it's showing it's a two-sided default. So I'm going to select one-sided, and I also want to default this to a black and white print mode. So I select that here. Now my current setting or preview shows a single-sided black and white page. Now I can simply select Apply, say OK, and I've now set my defaults for some of the common settings of my choice.